Welcome to Hoover Heroes, the chaotic party brawl where you and your friends throw stuff, slap each other, and try to survive the madness. Anything you can suck becomes a weapon. Yes, even that rubber duck. Battle across ridiculous maps, bounce off beds, water the fields, or get abducted by a UFO that wasn't even invited. If you manage to stop yourself from gambling for some power-ups, try to hit the fields. Suit up Kevin in the most glorious nonsense. Fabulous, fearless, or straight up, what am I even looking at? Special items? Oh yeah, some explode, some trap. One literally bends space-time. Game modes? We've got 'em. Last Kevin standing. Soccer. Mighty slap. King of the vacuum. And more chaos. Hoover Heroes, where the laws of physics gave up. Wishlist now, before Kevin smacks you through a window.